Friends, thanks for joining me. It's Morag here, and today I shall be using the October kits and also the October cut file, which is this beautiful pumpkin cluster. Apologise for my voice now. I seem to have lost my voice this week. So my hubby's very happy about that. So before I started the camera rolling, I have actually cut out my pumpkin cluster on my silhouette and just backed each piece with various papers from the October main kit. And inside the October embellishment kit this month, we have these beautiful and large chipboard titles. They come in white, and of course you could leave them white, but I'm just taking off the surface slightly there with the nail file just to give it a bit of a key. And then I shall be using some ink just to blend over the top to change the colour. So this would be perfect for using inks as I'm doing. You could also do acrylic paints or watercolours. You just need to remove the slightly smooth surface just to give it some tooth for the water-based products to stick to. So I've used a Distress Oxide ink there that you can see in a medium brown, and I'm just going to give it a light blast with my heat gun just to dry that off. So I thought it might be a bit of fun to use some gold or copper flakes on my title. Now, I don't have any fancy glue, though I think there's specialist glues for this. But I'm just using some for my regular glue. And I'm just dabbing a bit on here and there onto the chipboard, as you can see. And using my finger just to make it a little bit random. And I just let the glue go off a little bit so it goes a little bit tacky. And then I'm picking up some of those foil flakes and then getting it all stuck on my fingers. Just to add that little bit of sheen and interest to the title. I did have a lot of fun doing this, I have to admit. I've had these flakes for, a number of years, let's say. So I don't use them very often. So it was really nice to dust them off and put them to use this month. Perfect for a fall layout. And you'll see you just need to, I'll just put the flakes away just so they don't blow away because they're so light. And then I'm just removing the excess with my finger. And if I remember correctly, you can polish up the flakes once it's dry to get a smooth finish. It's been a while since I've used them, so I couldn't actually remember what to do. But just get off the excess bits and pieces. And that's just that. Now, if you don't have these flakes at home, of course you could use a metallic paint. So I have some pearlescent kind of paints, for example, and they have mine are acrylic, so they would cover the title perfectly. So I think I've rubbed some of the ink off there, so I'm just going to touch that up. And so I think I'll have the title over the top of the cut file there. And then I'll layer some embellishments underneath. So I've just stitched around the circle just to add a little bit of extra detail. And now, having seen how pretty the foiling came out, I'm going to add a little bit of foiling to the background there. And it's especially nice against the dark navy blue cardstock from the cardstock kit this month. And again, in real life, I think you can appreciate how shiny this has turned out. It just looks so luxurious, I think. I'm sure there must be better ways to apply the adhesive though, because gets a little bit messy with your fingers. Perhaps someone could let me know in the comments. So whilst I'm just assembling the pieces there, just a reminder that you can, as a subscriber to the kits, enjoy all of the cut files that are in the club. So even if you were to join today, there is a vast library of past cut files, which is a most amazing resource, because each month there must be, between 8 and a dozen new cut files each month. And the library goes all the way back a number of years, so there really are hundreds of files to choose from. And you can use them on your silhouette, as I've done, but also there are files there that you could use on your Cricut or your Scan and Cut, or whichever machine you have, really. So a really good resource to stretch your supplies. My apologies for my lost voice. I hope it hasn't been too much of a problem. I do hope you like the cut file and how I've backed that, and maybe how I've altered the title, and maybe that's something you could consider for your next layout. Don't forget, you can enter the challenges that are on the Facebook group. They're open to everybody, and you've got till the end of November to enter the November challenge. And I'll see you, hopefully with my voice intact, next time. Thank you then. See you next time. Bye.